So myself, Dr. Veera from Maharaja Agreshan College, Gadri. But our today's topic is MIS, Management Information System. Before Management Information System, we have discussed about the TPS, Transaction Processing System. MIS system क्या होता है? It is the system of information. MIS full form is Management Information System. So what is this system? What is this type of information? It is the system of information which is developed by the organization to run the objectives or to run the functions. So what are the functions? Functions may be the organization functions like your business function, decision making functions, daily routine functions. These are the different type of functions which are performed by the management at every level. For that purpose, they require MIS, Management Information System. So MIS is based upon, the base of MIS is TPS, Transaction Processing System, which have completed earlier. What is TPS? TPS is the transaction system which are made at operational level. What is operational level? Operational level means where actual work is done in the organization or actual working is done in the industry. Daily routine transactions are made in TPS. All data entry is made in TPS system so that we can make the management information system. So MIS is based upon the TPS. TPS information system becomes the input to the MIS. TPS provides the output, means we can get the information from the daily transactions at operational level where different supervisor and in charges make the data entry in daily routine basis in the register or in the computer. So on the basis of these information, these TPS information, transaction processing information, we make the MIS. So MIS is the report which is used by the top level of management and middle level of management. These two are the levels of management which use the MIS. And these two level of management, top level management and middle level management, use the MIS, and this MIS, Management Information System, is based upon the TPS. If there is no TPS, you can't make the report on the MIS. You have to make the report. If you are the middle level managers, you have to provide the information to their managers, to your interacted managers, means to your departments, and also to the top level, so that top level can make the decision on the basis of the report given by you. You are the middle level managers. You have to make the report on the basis of TPS, Transaction Processing System, where actual data you can collect, actual information you can collect from the TPS at the ground level, because actual data and actual working is done at there. Daily routine transactions are made, which is the data transaction like your like finance transaction, like your labor transaction, time of working hours transaction, raw material. These are the daily routine transactions which you have to make the payment. So these transactions, on the basis of these transactions, we make the simple information system which are provided to us, means we are the middle level managers. So on the basis of these daily transaction, daily record, we make the report, maybe the exceptional report, maybe the summary report. MIS provide only two types of reports, summary report and exceptional report. Mainly is the exceptional report. What is the exceptional report? Means where there is difference between or deviation between actual performance and expected performance. You know, you are the students of commerce. What is actual performance and what is expected performance? Actual performance is where actual work is done, and expected performance means your objective, your goal. So if there is deviation, if there is more deviation, means you have to make the exceptional report. That is the case of exceptional. I have given earlier the example to you. Suppose you are the middle level managers, you appoint two marketing managers. You are appointing two marketing managers. One manager, you have given the target of 50,000 of sale per month. That is your objective. That is your target as middle level manager. You have given 50,000 per month sale for for two managers, two marketing managers. One marketing manager comes after 1 month and tell that he has done only 10,000 sale only. And second marketing manager comes to you and said that I have made the 70,000 sale per month. So both are the exceptional cases. One is the negative first and second is the positive. We are not giving the normal report to the managers, to the top level manager. We have to give the exceptional report so that they can make the decision making and take the action regarding this. Action may be positive, action may be negative. So one marketing managers who have done the 10,000 of sale. So decision, you have given the report only, you have given the information, you have made the summary exceptional report and given to the top level. They will take the action. Action may be they may give the training to the manager. So in second case, where the target was 50,000, but he has made the sale of 70,000. So you have given the exceptional report to the top level management. The top level management can award or give the salary and enhance the salary to the second level of manager, marketing manager. So there are two types of managers. You have given the target of 50,000. One has made 10,000, one has made 70,000. Means above the expected and very below the expected. Both नीचे का target 10,000, both ऊपर किया 70,000. So one is awarded and one has given the training. What are the drawbacks in that case, first case? So that will decide the top level management, which is to be done. But what is to be done for that manager and for that manager, both. You have to give the report only. You have to make give the exceptional report, which is based upon the MIS, or MIS is based upon the TPS. So that is the exceptional report. Top level always want the sensitive cases, maybe positive, maybe negative. You have to identify the sensitive areas in middle level management. You are the middle level managers. You have to identify the sensitive areas, exceptional areas, critical areas, so that you can make the report, exceptional report to the and submit it to the top level managers. So top level manager decide, or they can make the decision regarding actions. Action may be positive, action may be negative. So other MIS report is your summary report, brief report, small reports, maybe on the basis of daily basis, maybe on the weekly basis. Suppose bank manager gives the report to the main bank manager or to the HOD of the bank that they have made the report yesterday and that is submitted to you. Daily transaction report, daily finance transaction, you are making daily transactions. Previous report, previous day report, you can submit daily to the manager, to your top level management. So that is your summary report, brief report, because top level has not enough time to identify your report, to make explanation of your report. You have to present the report in this way so that there is no need to further analyzing the report. आपने इस तरह report को present करना है. Further analysis is not required by the top level management. You have to present like this. So what is the method of presentation? Maybe exceptional report or summary report, because top level wants to busy in strategic or planning activities, or they are busy in decision making. They don't require explanatory report, normal report. We are taking 4 lectures daily. There is no need to tell the principal that we are taking 4 lectures. They know we are taking the 4 lectures or 3 lectures. What is exceptional? What you are doing beyond your work? What are extra you are doing? So that is the exceptional. And if I am taking 1 lecture out of 4, that is also exceptional. So whether the what is actually done and what is the objective, both. Whether there is deviation, if there is deviation, you have to identify that field, that reasons, and submit the report, brief, whether it is of exceptional, whether it is of summary report to the top level management. So management information system. These are the three concepts: management, then information, then system. What is management? We will explain to you with the presentation. And information and system. Information you have earlier done and system you have earlier done, but we will explain briefly today. One is the management, then information, then system. Don't explain more about the management information system. You have to explain the what is MIS report. That is more important. How you make the MIS report based upon the TPS. So come on the presentation today. What is the management information system on the basis of which the top level management are taking the decision regarding the functioning or objective of the organization. उनका main objective क्या है? Maybe the profit maximization. So that is the main objective of the organization. Whether the actual work is going on the map of that path where the objective retains. क्या उस objective जो जिस रास्ते पर objective है, क्या वो रास्ता adopt करके जा रहे हैं? क्या उस रास्ते पर चल रहे हैं? अगर deviation हो गया, बीच में कहीं और break हो गया, तो you have to tell the managers, top level management, say that we are going on the wrong path. They will take the decision. So MIS management information system ऐसा information system which is helpful to the managers for the proper functioning of the organization to achieve the objective mainly. So come on the presentation. I am showing you the presentation regarding MIS. So that is the first slide. Me, Dr. Veera. Information system, that is one type of information system. What is MIS? Management information system, that is the meaning, technical meaning. Management information system are used to manage the data created within organization for providing information to support the operations and to ease the management analysis and decision making. So MIS is made for the top level of management for decision making. What are included in that? In that we will explain in other slides what is the functions, what are the components used in MIS, what is the data used in MIS. क्योंकि daily transaction, you are making the daily transactions, that is your data, that is the low level of information which is called data. You have to manage that data. You have to manage that transaction. That is also included in MIS. On the basis of data or operational level information, you have to make the report or information which support the operation and which support the management for decision making. Operation क्या है? Functions. जो information, the information which support the operations of the organization, means activities of the organizations, functions of the organization, and which also support the management for decision making. Management means top level of management. So that the work should be done in smooth way. Functions should be done in smooth way. So you have to manage management of information, management of data, management of transaction, so that the control should be done by the top level of management. On the basis of MIS, they can take the decision and they can make the controlling. Control कैसे करते हैं? How you control? When you require information, when you require feedback, when you know about the exceptional areas, sensitive areas in the organization, which is weak or which is positive highlighted. Both are the sensitive areas. So that the action should be made, so that the controlling is done by the top level of management. Second definition, in other words, information system developed to provide accurate, timely and relevant information. Information आपने पहले कर लिया, you have already completed information. Information system should be, means information should be accurate. Information will be accurate if your daily transactions are accurate. There should be no manipulation in daily transactions. They are actually recorded in the register. What is the purchasing of the today? What is sale of the today? How many employees are working in the organization daily? How many hours they are working? How much salary they are taking? How much material is coming from outside for the final product? So these are the daily transaction data. On the basis of MIS is made. Middle level managers take the information from the lower level of supervisors and lower level of जो है in charges. So that information will be accurate. Middle level of information will be accurate if your transactions are accurate. There is no manipulation in the lower level of operations. So the information system developed to provide accurate, timely and relevant information. And that information helps managers, means top level of managers, in effective decision making, are known as management information system. Information should be accurate, timely and relevant. You know what is accurate, means information should be correct. There is no manipulation in the information or data. Information should be submitted or report should be submitted timely to the top level of managers. Suppose you are giving the discount to the product in the market. You are advertising that we are giving the discount to enhance your sale. But you are late in advertisement. You are late in giving the advertisement to the people that you are giving the discount. Discount time is foregone. Then what is use of the information? There is no use of that information. You are not giving the information at the proper time when it is required by the top level of managers. Principal wants result from me. I am giving result after 6 months. The result is not recorded in the office. My result is not recorded in the office because I have not given the information timely. On that basis, they have to take the decision. What should be done for the students? Why they are more fails? More number of students are fail in the class, in that subject, in that particular subject. So we should provide the information timely, then it has use. Information should be relevant, means related to objective, related to functions, related to activities which the top level wants. What top level wants? What top level objective? That is related to the objective. Our main work is giving the lecture to you, teaching. We are not giving the teaching, we are giving another works. We are busy in another works. So that work is not related. The main work related is our teaching, our lecture. So objective of management is result. Result is based upon the teaching. So information should be accurate, timely and relevant and should be provided to the right person also. Right information, right time, right person. Information should be made at the right time and submitted to at the right time and given to the right person also. If I am not submitting my result to the office and submitting the result my colleagues, what's the use? I am not giving the information to the right person. Right person is office or principal, so that they can make further analysis, ताकि वो आगे उसको एनालाइज कर सकेंगे इसी बेस पर. Information should be timely and should be provided to the right person also. So the information system developed to provide accurate, timely and relevant information that helps managers in effective decision making is known as management information system. Next slide. Another technical definition which is based upon the computer also, because today's MIS is has no use if a computer is not included. MIS may be made without computer or with computer also. पहले भी MIS बनाते थे, पहले भी रिपोर्ट्स बनाते थे हम लोग. मिडिल लेवल मैनेजर्स रिपोर्ट जो है बनाती थी, रजिस्टर पर बनाती थी, पेज पर बनाती थी, 10 पेज की, 15 पेज की या 2 पेज की रिपोर्ट. They are making offline also. You can make MIS report offline also, online also. You are using the computer software also for making the report. You can make MIS report without computer or without software. So technically, if you are using the computer, because computer is used in every type of field. So nowadays, reports are made by the computer or transmitted online. So MIS is system of people. People means we are the managers doing the role in MIS. System of people. People means we are making the report. We are using the computer. We are using the software. So MIS system is MIS components, which includes people, equipment. Equipment means tools. Maybe the computer, maybe the hardware devices, maybe the raw material also. Maybe the tools in the organization. People, equipment, procedure means method. What method you are using for collecting data, for making report, and for transmitting report to the top level of management. Procedure, method. Documents, because you are making the documents regarding the transactions. And communication. So MIS is the system of people, equipment, procedures, documents and communication. ये components है MIS के, जो क्या करते हैं? That collects, validates, operates, transforms, stores and present data. Means that collects the data, that validates the data or information. Validates means check करना, recheck करना. When you are making the entry in the computer, before processing, you will make the checking regarding your data. Corrections जो है निकालना. यानी MIS सिस्टम में इतने कंपोनेंट्स हैं जो ऊपर बताए हैं, पीपल, इक्विपमेंट, प्रोसीजर, डॉक्यूमेंट एंड कम्युनिकेशन, जो क्या काम करते हैं? डाटा कलेक्ट करते हैं, डाटा वैलिडेट करते हैं, ऑपरेट्स करते हैं, इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, यानी उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन बनाते हैं, एनालाइज करते हैं, मेथड यूज करते हैं उसके लिए, ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं मीन्स कम्युनिकेट करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन को, टॉप लेवल को, लोअर लेवल को, कलीग्स को, आउटसाइड एरिया को जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बाहर है, एक्सटर्नल टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डाटा ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जाता है, इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफॉर्म की जाती है, रिलेटेड टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, रिलेटेड टू वर्क. स्टोर्स, डाटा स्टोर किया जाता है, मे बी इन द कंप्यूटर, मे बी ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. एंड प्रेजेंट डाटा मीन्स लास्टली the data is presented for the use. किसके लिए किया जाता है ये सारा काम? For the use in planning, budgeting, accounting, controlling and for the use in other management processes. Top level का काम क्या है? What is the function of the top level management? Plan करना, future plan बनाना, objective decide करना. What will be the sale in future? फ्यूचर में सेल क्या होनी चाहिए? What will be the purchase in future? फ्यूचर में परचेजिंग क्या होगी? टारगेट सेट करना, प्लानिंग करना, स्ट्रेटजी बनाना, ये टॉप लेवल का काम है. प्लान करने का काम टॉप लेवल का होता है. मैंने आपको पहले बताया टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट इज अफेक्टेड बाय देयर डिसीजंस, देयर प्लान्स आर अफेक्टेड बाय द एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट मेनली. एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट, जैसे मैंने अपने कॉलेज का एग्जांपल लिया, प्रिंसिपल विल मेक द डिसीजन टेकिंग इनटू माइंड द डिसीजन टेकन इन अदर कॉलेजेस, व्हाट विल बी हेल्ड इन द एक्सटर्नल कॉलेजेस. बाकी कॉलेजेस में क्या हो रहा है, वो कोई स्ट्रक्चर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होती. दैट इंफॉर्मेशन इज नॉट स्ट्रक्चर्ड, आपको बताया था. सो प्लानिंग इज मेड बाय द टॉप लेवल ऑफ मैनेजर्स ओनली. व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, whether it is of future profit maximization, whether it is of goodwill maximization, whether it is of sales maximization. These are the various objectives of the management. Budgeting means providing the resources, arranging the resources. Budget provide करना middle level को. That is the budget of the organization. That is the objective of the organization. We have these resources only. On the basis of these resources, they ask the middle level of managers, you have to achieve the objective. ये resources दे रहे हैं हम, ये हमारे बजट है, ये हमारे resources है, how much is expended on different resources to achieve the objective. That budget, that resources, that limit is decided by the management. So planning, budgeting, accounting. Accounting means आपके daily के transaction की accounting. Controlling means when there is exceptional case, management will control. तो controlling कब होगी? When you give the MIS report. So on the basis of MIS, management will plan, make the budget, make the accounting means bookkeeping, accounting means bookkeeping, keeping the record, and controlling. And for use in other management, there are other management functions also. These are the main functions: planning, budgeting, accounting, and controlling. So these MIS components, MIS report, management related information report, will help to the top level of management for making these type of functions like planning, budgeting, accounting, controlling, and other processes. Example of MIS means middle level of managers are making the MIS. They are making the report on the basis of transactions, daily transactions. So what type of managers using the MIS or making the MIS? Personal information system. Human resource managers, they use the personal information system related to labor, related to employees, related to persons. That is called personal information system. That is the example of MIS, because MIS is made and used by middle level and top level of managers. Marketing information system means information related to market. So that is made in the middle level of managers. Sales information system, information regarding the sale. The system developed regarding the information of sale. Production and operational information system, productions related information, work related information means operations related informations. So the primary use of MIS को सबसे कौन यूज करते हैं? लोअर लेवल ऑफ मैनेजर्स को जरूरत नहीं है यूज करने की. दे आर नॉट यूजिंग MIS. दे आर मेकिंग द TPS. They are making the transaction. Repetitive task is made in the TPS. Repetitive task, repetitive entries, repetitive transactions are made in the TPS. But MIS is used by mainly middle level of management or top level of management. So that is the examples of MIS, because there are various middle level of managers: human resource managers, marketing managers, sales managers, production managers, finance managers. They are using the report or they are using the information given by the lower level or operational level. So components क्या हैं MIS के? There are three components. M is management, I is information, third is system. You have to briefly explain in the question. These are not so much important. You have to explain briefly only. What is management? What is information? What is system? So what is management firstly? Management क्या है? Arranging or organizing the resources. Management क्या है? Arranging or organizing the resources. So judicially managing resources means legally managing the resources. Like resources means men, material, machinery, money, methods. These are the resources. So managing the resources, all resources, to accomplish the functions or to achieve the objective of the organization. That is the management. So management performs different types of tasks for achieving the goals. So one function of the management is making the planning. Management have to make, firstly, the first step of management is to make the plan. idea, objective. So first is they have to make the plan, means forecasting of the future, thinking about the future. प्लान का मतलब होता है योजना बनाना. योजना किसके लिए बनती है? प्रेजेंट की नहीं बनती, फ्यूचर की बनती है. प्रेजेंट they know what is the present level of the organization. They have to make the plan for the future. Planning is always made for the future purpose, means where what we are and where we are, where we want, where we are at present and where we want to be. हम आज क्या हैं और क्या कल बनना चाहते हैं. So management makes the link through planning, link between what we are today and where we want to be, means today and tomorrow. टुडे और टुमारो को मिलाने वाला कौन है? प्लानिंग. आज हम क्या है, कल हम क्या हो सकते हैं, ये प्लान से ही पता चलेगा हमारे माइंड में क्या चल रहा है. सो ब्रिज बिटवीन प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर और ब्रिज बिटवीन और लिंक बिटवीन टुडे एंड टुमारो मीन्स वेयर वी आर और वेयर वी वांट. सो एडवांस लेवल पर जो मैनेजमेंट है दैट विल थिंक अबाउट द फ्यूचर. हम कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं, हम हैं कहाँ. So they have to make the plan. So planning includes forecasting and also objectives. Planning includes strategy. Planning includes sequence of strategy. Planning includes budget. Planning include procedure and planning include policies. Planning में ये सारे function होते हैं which are done by the management or managers. So planning में first point क्या है? Forecast. Management have to make the planning. What will be the effect on future objectives? Future objective may be sales, cost और profit. Future में सेल पर, cost पर और profit पर क्या असर होगा, उसके लिए प्लान करना. Planning used to determine the effect on future sales, future cost and future profit. That is a forecasting. भविष्यवाणी करना. Thinking about future regarding sales, cost and profit. Future में profit बढ़ेंगे, कितने बढ़ेंगे. Future में cost कम होगी, कितनी कम होगी. Future में sale बढ़ेगी या कम होगी. तो प्लान करना. Then set objectives. Objectives are the end result of the management. Lastly, what they want in future, what they want, what is the target, what is the objective, that is the function of the management. ये भी फंक्शन है मैनेजमेंट का, सोचने का फंक्शन, प्लान करने का फंक्शन. अकेले बैठे बैठे सोचते रहते हैं. देन डेवलप स्ट्रेटजी, व्यू रचना. So what are the methodologies or strategies used to achieve that objectives which is targeted by the management. जो objective सोचा है, जो टारगेट किया है हमने फ्यूचर के लिए, सेल्स को मैक्सिमम करना है या कोस्ट को मिनिमम करना है या प्रॉफिट को मैक्सिमम करना चाहती है. मे बी वन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव, मे बी द प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव. सो व्हाट स्ट्रेटजीज, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज, इफ दे वांट टू इंक्रीज द सेल्स, so to increase the sales, what marketing strategies they will adopt so that sales will increase in future. So that is planned by the top level manager. ये भी प्लान करती है. स्ट्रैटेजी डेवलप करना, methodology डेवलप करना, what methods will be used to increase the sale, what method should be used to decrease the cost in future, what method should be used to increase the profit in the future. So target may be sales, may be cost, may be profit, may be three. Then set budget. ये भी डिसाइड करना है, बजट को सेट करना. बजट रिलेटेड डिसीजन आर टेकन बाय द मैनेजमेंट. मीन्स रिसोर्सेज. What will be the resources to the organization ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या रिसोर्सेज होने चाहिए टू अचीव दैट ऑब्जेक्टिव। उस ऑब्जेक्टिव को कंप्लीट करने के लिए रिसोर्सेज क्या है हमारे पास, पैसा कितना है, कैपिटल कितनी है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कितने हैं हमारे पास, स्टाफ कितना है हमारे पास। सो बजट में मोस्टली हम मनी बजट लेते हैं, बट मनी बजट के अलावा और भी रिसोर्सेज है जिसको हम यूज़ करते हैं। रॉ मटेरियल यूज़ करते हैं, हम कैपिटल यूज़ करते हैं, वर्किंग कैपिटल क्या होनी चाहिए, कितना स्टाफ यूज़ होगा, ठीक है, कितना प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए हमें जो है कॉस्ट लगानी पड़ेगी डेली की। तो एलोकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज को एलोकेट करना है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है रिसोर्सेज को, कहाँ कहाँ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है। आपके घर में हेड ऑफ द फैमिली क्या है, आपके फादर, दे आर टेकिंग द सैलरी, दे आर अर्निंग द सैलरी, they will decide how it will be allocated in the family members। फैमिली मेंबर्स में इसको एलोकेट कैसे करना है, इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसे करना है, वितरण कैसे करना है। सिमिलरली मैनेजमेंट हैज टू थिंक अबाउट व्हाट इज द बजट, व्हाट इज द थिंग इन देयर हैंड, क्या है उनके हाथ में, व्हाट इज इन देयर हैंड, एंड हाउ इट विल बी एलोकेटेड टू द different departments so to achieve the main objective। Next is your staffing, arrangement of staff, arrangement of employees, whether skilled or unskilled, how much is required for to meet the objective। So arrangement of staffing, ठीक है, स्टाफ जो है ऑर्गेनाइज करना, स्टाफ का मैनेजमेंट करना, so that they can work on particular task or particular objective। Next is organizing also, directing, you have to give the direction to the employees, you have to give the duties and you have to give the authorities to your staff to complete the particular job। एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब को कंप्लीट करने के लिए एम्प्लॉय को क्या चाहिए, दे रिक्वायर ड्यूटीज एंड अथॉरिटीज आल्सो। ड्यूटीज तो आपने दे दी कि दैट इज अ वर्क डन बाय द एम्प्लॉइज, डिफरेंट एम्प्लॉइज according to their capabilities। you know what are the capability of the employees because you have made the recruitment and selection to the employees regarding the objective। according to objective you have employed your employee, you have selected or recruit your employees। आपने रिक्रूट किया है, सिलेक्शन किया है थ्रू इंटरव्यू। what is the job, what is the requirement of job, according to job you are taking, you are employing the labor or employees in your organization which meets the requirement of the job, and what are the capabilities of that personnel, whether it meets to the requirement or not। if it meets you select the person। so duties and authorities both are given to the employees। if you are giving the duties only, so employee will not will not make the work complete, work will not be done by the employee if you are not giving the powers। we are teaching you, that is our duty, because authorities are given to us to control the class, for teaching environment, for handling the students। these powers are given by the principal or government। so duties and authorities are given to employees by the managers so that they can direct to complete the particular task। directions तभी दी जा सकती है when they give the duties and as well as authorities, powers to the employees। so particular path is shown by the managers to the employees। for that purpose employees should know about the environment of the organization। हर एम्प्लॉय को पता होना चाहिए, मुझे पता होना चाहिए मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किस टाइप की है, what is the behavior or structure of our organization, what work is done in the organization, what type of work is done in the organization, what are the different departments in the organization। I must know, if I am the employee of that organization I must know about everything which is required to complete my task। मुझे टास्क कंप्लीट करना है, but before completing the task I must know about the basic levels of the organizations। what is the top level of management, what is the middle level of management, what are our colleagues, what they are doing. सिर्फ मैंने अपना ही नहीं देखना कि मैं क्या करूँ. We must know about others also, how to interact with others also. So before doing the particular task, we must know about the organization firstly. Behavior of organization, what type of activities are going in the organization. So managers, top level of management directs the middle level of managers, means we the employees, how to accomplish that task, how to complete or accomplish that particular task. For that purpose they provide us duties and authorities also. And next is controlling. Management have to control different environment, different sensitive environments, different positive, negative or critical means negative environment. Is there deviation between the standard performance and actual performance? You know what is the standard performance? Standard performance means your objective, where you want to go, where the organization want to go in future. That is the objective, that is the goal, that is the target. And how much we far from that target, हम उस टारगेट से कितनी दूर है. इफ डेविएशन इज मोर, अगर दूरी ज्यादा है, हम भटक गए हैं, इफ डेविएशन इज मोर, देन मैनेजमेंट विल कंट्रोल और टेक द एक्शन and implement that action in the organization so that the right path is adopted to achieve the goals. So these are the different functions of management. So today we have discussed only one part of MIS, Management Information System. We have completed the management. Now one is the information. ये आपने पहले कर लिया. You have completed earlier in detail. Information क्या है? Information is the processed form of data, processed form of transaction. जो भी हम डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं ट्रांजैक्शन का, डेली की ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं, वी आर डूइंग द डेली ट्रांजैक्शन इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बेसिक लेवल पर, ग्राउंड लेवल पर, वेयर एक्चुअल वर्क इज डन. When that data, that transaction are processed, analyzed, that is called information. Information has direct role in decision making by the managers. Information is the base of the decision making. So when data or transactions are processed or analyzed, on the basis of that transaction we make the information, and on the basis of information decisions are made. So principal takes the various information from the organization. We are giving information, HOD of our college is giving information, we all teachers are giving the information. On the basis of these information, principal is not working in all departments, he is not present in all departments. We are giving the information regarding you, regarding students, positive, negative information, mainly the negative information, or maybe the exceptional information. We are giving the information. On the basis of information, the management or principal will take the decision. So information क्या होती है ये बता दिया आपको. When data is processed, when transactions are processed, analyzed, calculated, then it becomes the information. And that information must include some qualities, some characteristics. Information में कुछ characteristics होनी चाहिए, कुछ qualities होनी चाहिए. बेकार की information नहीं हमें देनी अंदर, relevant information देनी है, accurate होनी चाहिए information should be accurate, so that person sitting at the top of you will rely upon you and on your information. आपकी information के ऊपर rely कर सके, विश्वास कर सके. So you should provide the accurate information, and the information must be related to the objective also. बेकार की information ना दो, कोई क्या कर रहा है, कोई क्या बात कर रहा है organization में, क्या गुपचुप हो रही है, क्या बातें हो रही है, एक स्टूडेंट ने क्या कर दिया, ये information नहीं चाहिए. related to objective होनी चाहिए. उस information में कोई affect हो रहा है positively और negatively, कोई affect हो रहा है तो आप information देंगे. So information should be related to the topic or related to the environment. तो इंफॉर्मेशन में ये जस्ट ये नहीं आपने यू हैव गिवन द प्रॉब्लम टू द प्रिंसिपल, यू हैव गिवन द प्रॉब्लम टू द टॉप मैनेजमेंट, you have to give the solution also. Information should be provided with the solution. इंफॉर्मेशन देना ही काफी नहीं है, आप उसका सॉल्यूशन खुद लेके जाएंगे अंदर। डिफरेंट अल्टरनेटिव्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस, क्या क्या सॉल्यूशन हो सकते हैं, नॉट ओनली जस्ट वन सॉल्यूशन, यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड 3-4 सॉल्यूशन, 5 सॉल्यूशंस, डिफरेंट अल्टरनेटिव सॉल्यूशंस टू द प्रॉब्लम। आप अंदर डिस्कस तो करने गए हो, टॉप लेवल को बताने तो गए हो, what is the problem in the organization। तो ये आपने प्रॉब्लम नहीं बतानी, you have to provide the solutions also because you basically know about the environment of the organization। आप उसमें काम कर रहे हो, टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट आपके बीच में काम नहीं कर रही, वो इंफॉर्मेशन बेस पर डिसीजन लेती है। अगर इंफॉर्मेशन गलत है, द डिसीजन शुड बी रॉन्ग और मे बी रॉन्ग। If you provide incorrect information, decision will be incorrect। आप गुमराह कर रहे हो मैनेजमेंट को। इंफॉर्मेशन करेक्ट भी होनी चाहिए, रिलेटेड भी होनी चाहिए, फालतू की इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए। एंड इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी इन द फॉर्म that is required by the main management or that is required by the functions or that should be required by the key matters, important matters related होनी चाहिए और उसी फॉर्म में प्रोवाइड करनी है जिस फॉर्म में मांगी गई है। आपसे मांगा गया रिजल्ट, आप रिजल्ट दे आइए, बाकी की बातें मत कीजिए। ओनली यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द इंफॉर्मेशन, ओनली यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द रिजल्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम। जैसी मांगी गई है, जिस फॉर्म में मांगी गई है, उस फॉर्म में इंफॉर्मेशन दीजिए। दे रिक्वायर रिजल्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, टॉप लेवल रिक्वायर द सेल्स of the organization, you are giving the purchase, why? So you should provide the information which is demanded by the organization or top level, and it also explains all the questions, सभी क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन होना चाहिए उसमें। नेक्स्ट है टाइमलीनेस भी होनी चाहिए इंफॉर्मेशन। टाइमलीनेस मीन्स यू हैव टू submit the information in correct time, not before not after। बिना बात के अंदर जाने की जरूरत नहीं, इंफॉर्मेशन देने की जरूरत नहीं, करेक्ट टाइम पर दीजिए। यू नो व्हाट दे रिक्वायर, आप जानते हो कि टॉप लेवल को क्या इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए इस टाइम पर। जिस टाइम पर इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए आप उस टाइम पर ही प्रोवाइड करेंगे। नेक्स्ट इज completeness means information should be complete, it should cover all the aspects required by the top level of management। information should not be incomplete। if sales regarding information is required, you have to provide complete information regarding sales, monthly sale or 6 month sale or half yearly sale or yearly sale। they require report regarding sales, you have to submit the full detail about the sale, whether it is of monthly, whether it is of half yearly or yearly। information should be purposeful, उसका एक उद्देश्य होना चाहिए, एक पर्पस होना चाहिए। क्यों प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो इंफॉर्मेशन, वाई यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग, वाई यू आर सबमिटिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन। इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी पर्पसफुल, एडिक्वेट होनी चाहिए इंफॉर्मेशन। इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी एडिक्वेट, sufficient in quantity, not more not less। ना ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्लेनेटरी, ना बहुत कम होनी चाहिए कि उसमें पता ही ना चले कि कहा क्या गया। हाफ इंफॉर्मेशन, इनकम्प्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन भी नहीं होनी चाहिए। सो रिपोर्ट और इंफॉर्मेशन शुड कवर all related aspects about a particular event or situation which the report is reporting। जिस रिपोर्ट की आप रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे हो उसमें वो सारे एस्पेक्ट क्लियर करने चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं चाहिए। सो information should be adequate, not more, not less. Just I have given earlier the example of you. आप कहती हो कई बार कि बहुत बोलता है ये बच्चा, बहुत बोलता है, ओवर है, एक्स्ट्रा बोलता है, आप पक जाते हो, उसको कहते हैं ज़्यादा, ओवर इन्फॉर्मेशन। अब कई बार कहते हैं कि बच्चा बोलता ही नहीं है क्लास में, हम कहते हैं क्लास में बच्चा बोलता ही नहीं है, आवाज़ ही नहीं है इसके अंदर, वो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन एडुकेट नहीं है, वो भी एडुकेसी में नहीं आता। अब बैलेंस में रहना, नॉट मोर नॉट लेस, इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड, नॉट मोर एक्सप्लेनेशन, नॉट लेस एक्सप्लेनेशन, which explain the various activities required by the management। जो मैनेजमेंट ने रिक्वायर की है आपसे रिपोर्ट, उस रिपोर्ट से रिलेटेड आपने सबमिट करनी है रिपोर्ट, और वो रिपोर्ट वो सारे एस्पेक्ट जो है क्लियर करनी चाहिए ताकि उनको समझ आ सके टॉप लेवल को। सो इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी एक्सेप्शनल बेस्ड। इंफॉर्मेशन मोस्टली जो है एक्सेप्शनल बेस्ड पर होती है। एक्सेप्शन केस क्या होते हैं? जो कम हेल्ड होते हैं। नॉर्मल केस तो रोज होते हैं, बट एक्सेप्शनल केस कम होते हैं। किसी को चोट लगी, लेबर को एकदम आग लग गई है मशीन में, ये एक्सेप्शनल केस है। यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड इमीडिएट दैट इंफॉर्मेशन टू द टॉप लेवल so that they can take an action, so that they can make the decision regarding that particular information which are provided by you। क्या करना चाहिए? आग लग गई, फायर ब्रिगेड को फोन करना है, टॉप लेवल करेगी, डिसाइड करेगी कि करना है। मशीन में किसी का हाथ आ गया, कोई लेबर जो है इंजरी हो गई है, यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द इंफॉर्मेशन टू द टॉप लेवल और टू द नेक्स्ट मैनेजमेंट लेवल। आपसे ऊपर जो भी है मैनेजर, यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन। सो दैट इज रिगार्डिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन। एंड व्हाट इज द सिस्टम? सिस्टम क्या है? सिस्टम क्या है? जो कंपोनेंट्स हैं, कंपोनेंट्स विच आर यूज्ड बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो कंपोनेंट्स यूज किए जाते हैं, जो तत्व यूज किए जाते हैं, जो एलिमेंट्स यूज किए जाते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, वो सारे कंपोनेंट को सिस्टम कहते हैं। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का भी एक सिस्टम होता है। हम कहते हैं ना, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हमारा क्या सिस्टम होता है? सिस्टम क्या है? रूल रेगुलेशन, टॉप टू बॉटम, बॉटम टू टॉप, दैट इज द कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम। सबसे पहले इंफॉर्मेशन टॉप से लोअर पर जा सकती है, ये सिस्टम है एक। टॉप लेवल, मिडिल लेवल और लोअर लेवल, ये सिस्टम है, रूल एंड रेगुलेशंस ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। What system is developed by the organization to communication? ये communication का सिस्टम है। और हर कंपोनेंट का एक सिस्टम होता है, हर एक्टिविटी का एक सिस्टम होता है। हमने कम्युनिकेशन का सिस्टम बताया। कम्युनिकेशन का सिस्टम क्या है? सिस्टम डेवलप्ड बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, रूल्स डेवलप्ड बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू कम्युनिकेट द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम टॉप लेवल टू बॉटम लेवल और बॉटम लेवल टू टॉप लेवल। So that is the system. So 3 components, management, information, system, they are completed. So that is the diagram. Lastly, after this diagram, we will take
actually next class का time हो गया है।
Okay beta. So that is the MIS system. Just give me 2 minutes. MIS diagram, note down the diagram. We will explain this diagram tomorrow. That is the main management information system diagram. How the management information system report developed. What are the resources or input resources and what are the output. Input क्या है? TPS, transaction, where actual work is done, and output क्या है? In the form of report. So report may be summary report or exceptional report. So I am stopping the presentation and coming to your class. So students, that was the management information system. Now perhaps you are clear about this concept of MIS, management information system. And if you have a query or doubt regarding this, if you want to make a question regarding that, you can ask me. If you have doubt, you can ask me. So your next class is going on. You can exit from the meeting. Thank you to all.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you to all.